Welcome to my channel, your ultimate destination for mastering finance and business management. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth, build your business, or sharpen your skills, we've got you covered with practical tips, expert insights, and actionable strategies. Let's embark on the journey to success together. BRRR Explained. The best property strategy for beginners. Are you ready? Introduction to BRRR. Accountant in an author setting. Dynamic graph showing real estate transactions, money flow, and property images. Real estate investing is one of the best ways to build wealth, but it can also feel overwhelming if you're just starting out. What is BRRR, you ask? It stands for buy, rehab, rent, and refinance. This strategy is not just about purchasing a property and waiting for its value to increase. It's about actively adding value through renovations, renting out to generate income, and refinancing to recover your capital and fund the next investment. In this video, I'll walk you through each of these steps in detail, share real-life examples, and explain how you can apply the BRRR strategy to kickstart your real estate portfolio. What is BRRR? The BRRR strategy is a simple yet powerful way to maximize returns in real estate, especially for beginners. Let's break it down. Buy, purchase a distressed property, typically below market value, that requires repairs or improvements. Rehab, renovate the property to increase its value and upheal. Refinance, after stabilizing the property with tenants, refinance it to pull out the equity that's been created through your improvements. This strategy allows you to recycle your capital, using the cash from refinancing to fund your next property purchase. And the best part is, you don't need a huge amount of upfront money to get started. Buying the property. The first and most crucial step is buying the right property. But it's important to understand that the BRRR strategy doesn't rely on buying just any property. It's about finding a distressed or undervalued one that needs work. Look for homes that are priced below the market value due to their condition. Distressed properties, foreclosures, or even auction homes can be great opportunities. You're essentially buying at a discount, and this gives you the flexibility to invest in renovations that add significant value. Be sure to research the area thoroughly, checking the local real estate market trends, the demand for rental properties, and the future growth potential of that neighborhood. It's about buying smart from the get-go. Rehab the property. Now that you've secured the property, it's time to rehab. Rehab involves upgrading the property to make it livable and, importantly, to increase its value. This is where you have to be strategic. Don't over-improve the property, but focus on cost-effective upgrades that will yield the most return. Renovations such as kitchen updates, new flooring, modernized bathrooms, and fresh paint can make a big difference. But don't go overboard. Your goal is to improve the property's market value enough to attract tenants and ensure you can refinance successfully. The key here is to create value without exceeding the price range of the area. For example, don't install top-of-the-line luxury finishes in a neighborhood where the median home price is $200,000. Keep your improvements in line with the local market. Default text. Rent the property. Once your property has been rehabbed, it's time to rent it out. This is where you start seeing income from your investment. Renting out the property brings in cash flow, but you'll need to ensure the rent is set at a level that covers your mortgage and generates a profit. Conduct thorough market research to understand the going rental rates in your area. Additionally, screen your tenants carefully. The quality of your tenants can make or break your investment. Look for tenants who will pay rent on time, take care of the property, and be long-term residents. A reliable tenant makes all the difference in generating consistent cash flow. Refinance the property. After you've rented the property and stabilized your income, it's time for the final step, refinancing. Refinancing allows you to pull out the equity you've created in the property through your renovations. For example, if you purchased a home for $100,000 and made $20,000 in improvements, the home might now be worth $150,000. When you refinance, the bank will offer you a new mortgage based on the appraised value of the home, and you can cash out some of that equity. This enables you to pay back your initial investment or use the cash to buy another property. Refinancing is a critical part of the BRRR strategy because it recycles your capital, allowing you to scale your portfolio without using your own money for every deal. Why BRRR works for beginners? BRRR works so well for beginners because it allows you to start investing with limited upfront capital. Unlike traditional real estate investing, where you would need to put down large sums for each property, BRRR lets you reuse your money. For instance, let's say you purchase a property for $100,000, spend $20,000 on renovations, and refinance the property at $150,000. You've effectively pulled out the $120,000 you originally invested, allowing you to purchase another property and start the cycle over again. The beauty of BRRR is that it accelerates your growth. With just a few successful deals, you can quickly scale your real estate portfolio without relying on savings or expensive loans. Common pitfalls to avoid in BRRR. While BRRR is a powerful strategy, it's important to avoid common mistakes that can cost you. Here are a few pitfalls to watch out for. Overpaying for the property. Buying too high can prevent you from making a profit. Always negotiate for the best price possible. Over-improving the property. Stick to renovations that add value without pricing you out of the market. Underestimating rehab costs. Always overestimate your rehab budget to ensure you don't run out of funds mid-project. Not screening tenants properly. Bad tenants can cause damage and disrupt your cash flow, so be diligent in the screening process. Refinancing too early. Wait until the property is fully rented and has a stable income stream before refinancing. Lenders prefer seeing a few months of rental history before agreeing to refinance. Real-life example. Let's look at a real example. Imagine you bought a 3-bedroom property for $120,000. You spent $30,000 on renovations, updating the kitchen and bathrooms, installing new floors, and repainting the walls. After rehab, the property is now valued at $180,000. You rent it out for $1,500 per month. A few months later, you refinance and pull out $150,000 to buy your next property, leaving you with a solid, profitable rental. With this strategy, you've successfully leveraged your initial investment, and now you're poised to purchase more properties and build your portfolio. Conclusion and call to action. BRRR is a fantastic strategy for those just starting in real estate, offering a way to grow your portfolio without needing large sums of capital up front. By buying, rehabbing, renting, and refinancing, you can quickly build wealth through real estate. However, it's not without its challenges, so be sure to educate yourself and take your time when making decisions. If you're interested in learning more about BRRR or other real estate strategies, be sure to check out our full guide on the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate tips and investment advice. Thanks for watching, and good luck with script for your video on the best property strategy for beginners. BRRR Explained is structured to provide a clear, step-by-step guide for your audience. It highlights the buy, rehab, rent, and refinance strategy, breaking down each phase with detailed explanations and visual cues to engage viewers. Here's an overview of the expanded content. Introduction to BRRR, a strong opening, explaining the BRRR method, its relevance to beginners, and its potential to scale a real estate portfolio without requiring large upfront capital. What is BRRR? A breakdown of each letter in BRRR, emphasizing the value of each step, particularly how it helps beginners maximize returns through reinvestment. Step 1. Buying the property. Insight into how to find distressed properties, where to look for them, and how purchasing below market value sets up the strategy for success. Step 2. Rehab the property. Tips for cost-effective renovations, understanding the balance between upgrades and local market values, and ensuring that improvements will increase rental appeal. Step 3. Rent the property. Advice on setting competitive rents, screening tenants, and maintaining steady income from rental properties. Step 4. Refinance the property. Detailed explanation of how refinancing works, using equity to fund new purchases, and how to leverage this phase to grow your portfolio. Why BRRR works for beginners. Discussion on how the BRRR strategy is ideal for beginners, especially since it reduces the need for significant capital and accelerates portfolio growth. Common pitfalls to avoid. Warnings about common mistakes in BRRR, such as overpaying for properties, overimproving, and refinancing prematurely. Real-life example, walkthrough of a real BRRR project, showcasing costs, renovations, refinancing, and how this example can serve as a blueprint for viewers. Thank you for watching Sapric Your Finance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest insights on finance and business management.